Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this tech tutorial, we're going to show you a simple trick how you can split cells in your documents on Google Sheets really quickly. So drop a like and now let us dive right into it. So head over to your document or spreadsheet on Google Sheets. So as you can see, I prepared a table like that, and let's assume you have a cell like that one here featuring multiple items or values like numbers. We see 5, 5, 67, 45, 33, and so on and so forth. And now you'd like to split that cell into, in this case, 5 cells with one number each. So what you want to do, guys, is simply select the given cell, and after that head over to data here at the top, and from that menu below select split text to columns here, and there you go. After that you may, for example, use a specific separator by clicking on that button here and select, for example, a comma as a separator, or space, or semicolon, and so on and so forth. So let me go with a comma. And that's basically it, guys. That's how you do it, and you may apply it to any cell you like. And that's how you split cells into multiple cells in Google Sheets. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, and we'll see you next time on our channel.